Hello again everyone, welcome again to another paper airplane tutorial. I am Tri and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new cool paper airplane. The paper airplane is called the Draken. This is my new design and this may not fly very well. I will need time to adjust the paper airplane to have more tests, but because I promised to make the paper airplane for a long time, so today I will keep on my promise and I will show you guys how to make it. To make the Saab Draken, you need a piece of your letter size paper, but if you have an A4 paper, just use it. Now, first step, let's fold the paper in half. Let me fix it first. So make sure that all edges are lined up nicely. Alright, so looks just fine. And now I unfold the paper. Next step, I start from the top edge, fold to the other edge. And then I start from the top edge again. I fold to this side. And now just press out the paper. Press it down. Now let's flip the paper over and put it this way. Now start from the top edge again and use this intersection as a reference to fold down. Let's fold it. Okay. And you can also use the center crease as your reference line. And just press down to create a new crease. After you finish that crease, you can flip the paper over again. And this is what you should have at this point. And you can see this crease. I fold this crease to the center crease. Just pull it up and fold to the center crease. And now just fold the top down here. And now just fold the top here down. And on the following step, let me move this layer to the other side. And now I can start from this side. I fold to the center crease. And I should have a crease here. Okay, so it's look just fine. On the following step, I will start from this layer. I fold out. So I just fold out as much as I can. And imagine that you have actually you can estimate about 2 inches from this intersection up and just fold this layer out. After you fold that layer out, you can start from this side, this edge, and fold straight out to this corner. Let me move it up a little bit so you can see it clearly. So, or you can just match this edge to the lower edge here. And of course, you can repeat the same fold for the other side. So I'll fold this layer back to this side. Same thing for this side. I'll fold this layer to the other side. And now I can start from this edge, fold to the center crease. And press down. Okay, and start from this side again and for straight out. You can use the other side as a reference. Imagine that you have this size. This is very easy to make an estimation. This is very easy to estimate. You can use your finger here, push it, and use the other finger, push it, and now you know that's where is the point, right? So fold this one back, and now you can use this point as a reference to fold this layer out. So for as much as you can. And then start from this edge again, fold it to this edge, just similar to the previous fold, or just similar to the fold for the other side. So this is what you should have. Then you can fold this one out. Alright, and on the following step, I will start from this layer, and I will use the this edge as a reference to fold this layer. But then I will make it a little bit different. Let me show you again. So you can see this edge, and it's crossed with the upper layer right here. Use this here as a point where you can fold. So you can fold the other sides as well. So make a fold like this. Fold, start from this point and match this edge to the center crease, and this edge. So fold like this. And then you can insert this part into the pocket. I call it the pocket, but you can cut whatever you want. So for it in here, for the lap here, so that you can hold the paper. Same thing for this side. Start from this edge, for straight to the center crease. So I just adjust it a little bit. Pull it down. So this is what you should have for now. You have the wings, the body of the paper airplane. Let's flip the paper airplane over, and you can do a few more steps to make it look nicer. So start from this edge, fold it to the center crease, but then you have to insert it inward. So press it down and fold it to the center crease. Okay. And same thing for the other side. Start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. So you have a very pointy head. Now let me turn the paper this way, and I will show you how to do the next step. And at this point, I'm going to teach you how to create. At this point, I'm going to teach you. Okay. And at this point, I'm going to teach you how to create the body of the paper airplane. Let's hold the paper airplane up, and you can see this corner and this corner. Imagine that you have a line from here straight to here, and you can fold the body down. Press down like this first. You can see I press it down first, and then I press it a little bit more and more and more. Same thing for the other side, right? So press down both sides. A little bit more should be okay. Okay. And same thing for this side. And now I will start from this edge. I will try to match it with the upper edge here. And then I flip the paper over, repeat the same for the other side. So and here you go. So it's looked very similar to the Draken already. To make it look even more like the Draken, we need to create the stabilizer, right? Start from the very end of the paper. So you can see this part, pull it up, pull it a little bit more. so that you can have a center stabilizer. So this is how you can have the center stabilizers. And on the top here, I would just estimate about a quarter of an inch from the tip or the corner straight down, foot down a little bit. Same thing for the other side, foot down a little bit and press down. Okay, so let me turn the paper over, and you can see there's a handle right here. Hold the paper airplane right here and throw it lightly inside of the house, and the paper airplane should fly very well for a short distance. If it doesn't fly well, you can flatten the paper airplane a little bit more, so that works fine. And here you go, this is the Saab Draken. I hope you guys enjoy making this paper airplane. If you do, give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Once again, I'm Tree. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.